everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making lasagna, which is so popular around the world, and my mom taught me how to do this recipe, and together we're going to make a fantastic experience. The first ingredient to making this fabulous recipe is lasagna sheets, 500 grams, bechamel sauce, 500 milliliters, which I made today, bolognese sauce, 500 grams, one big mozzarella, and finally some salt. For the lasagna sheets, you can have them dry or fresh. Now we can get the mozzarella, and we can cut it into very small pieces. Like this. Now, I have to tell you something, because there are two ways to making the lasagna. One is that you can put the bechamel sauce at the bottom of a baking tray, and then of course you can lay down the lasagna sheets, or you can do like my mother always does, get a pan, fill it up with water and leave it to boil like it's already doing. Then put some any oil and just put a bit in, so then they don't get attached to one another like that. And then you can put 8 lasagna sheets in and leave them to cook for about 4 minutes. Now you can get a kitchen towel and lay it down. I can get the first one because 4 minutes have passed. As you can see, I have laid them all out. And now I can put other 8 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now the other ones are cooking. I can get the bechamel, and I can put it at the bottom, and I can lay it down evenly. So I start putting the lasagna sheets down. Spoonful of the bolognese sauce, and we can spread it out evenly. Now that I have put it and I have spreaded it all over and it is everywhere, I can get the salt, a bit of it, and I can sprinkle it on top. Now I can get the bechamel, another spoonful, and I can put it in. Now you can put it, not all of it around, just in some places you can dip it in. Like this. And now you can put some of the mozzarella in, not all though. Now I do exactly the same. I put one, then another one, and then another one. Again, we can do the same thing. Spoonful, lay it down all around gently. I can put a bit of salt. I can put the besciamella. And then I can put the mozzarella, not all of it. After I have done about 5 layers, I can do a 6th one, but differently. And I'm gonna show you how. You can put 1, 2, 3, and a half of 1. And you only put the bolognese sauce in. Spread it out evenly. And we have finished. And we can put the last remaining bit of the salt. To put it in the oven. It has to be a static oven already warm for 40 minutes at 170 degrees. This is the result. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video.